Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. We are at the Conrad Las Vegas at Resorts World. This is a Hilton hotel, and of the three that are at Resorts World, this is the medium or mid-range property, I guess you would call it. The Hilton Las Vegas is their standard hotel tower, then it's the Conrad, and then they have Crockford's, which is the luxury Hilton hotel from their LXR brand, which is a new collection, I guess, of luxury hotels. We are in the standard room, so this is the premium 2 queen bed room at the Conrad. It starts at around, I think it's 550 square feet, and I'll start with the bedroom area. To the left is the bathroom and the closet, but we'll get to that after this. When you first walk into the bedroom area, you'll notice a little counter area with the mini bar. There's an ice bucket and 2 glasses. But what's great about this room is that in addition to the mini bar, which is on the left here, you also get a mini fridge, which is a great, amenity for a strip hotel. It's a very tiny little area that you get for your personal items that you want to get cold, but it's still, something is better than nothing, I guess. All right, as we walk in here, there's 2 queen beds here. It's very minimalist style. It's, mostly earth tones with pops of red, which, kind of harkens back to Resorts World. Their branding is more red, so I guess that kind of ties in there. You get a very nice 65-inch LG flat screen TV, which is great. This little desk slash drawer area is pretty much all the storage you get aside from the closet. So in here on the left is your safe, and then the rest is storage here. I think it looks very nice. Fans of soft close furniture will really like and be satisfied by the fact that when you open the drawers and then when you close it, I'm pushing really hard, it just does a soft close. So that's one little thing for the people that are fans of soft close furniture. It's really nice and satisfying. One thing, with the white furniture, this hotel's not even like 3 or 4 months old yet, and it's already showing wear because it's white, and you get this little luggage area right here, so you can place your luggage in lieu of like a luggage rack. But you'll notice that things are starting to wear, so I think that they're probably going to have some problems with this furniture that's white. It's only been 3 or 4 months, and it's already showing wear, so that's not great. But aesthetically, I could see where they were trying to go with it. Lighting, you don't really get much lighting in here. Right now it's like morning time in Vegas, but you do have some lighting. This is, again, the standard room, so it's really no frills. You get a nice little seating area over here. I think in the king rooms you'll get like maybe a little couch or chaise, but here you get just a little seating area next to the window. It's floor-to-ceiling windows. I'm only on the 12th floor, so it's pretty low. And my view is not of the main side of the strip, but the north strip. So I have Circus, the Strat, and the Drew / Fontainebleau / whatever. I think it's Marriott that might have the affiliation with it, either Marriott or Hilton or whatever that hotel is going to be at some point. You have a view of it right here. It's morning time again, so the sun's over to the right. But it is still a decent view, and at night, it still looks pretty nice with everything lit up. In terms of the temperature controls, they're going to be right over here, so you have a nice modern temperature panel. It goes down to 64 degrees. Fahrenheit is the minimum. For the fans of the really cold, it's not too low, but the room is relatively cool. I kind of left it for a few hours and came back at the lowest setting, and I feel okay. It's not like it's still stuffy in here. So one thing for people who notice these things, It's a new hotel, so it has that again, it has that new hotel smell, but it's one of those things that's going to be definitely interesting when you first walk in, because it's not a scent that you're used to from a hotel, I guess, more so an airport terminal. So we're going to walk over here towards the closet area, and it's interesting because it's right next to the main entryway. And so when you open the doors, it's kind of, you just have to be careful because they didn't make the doors, they made the doors for the closet, I guess, too deep, or maybe they didn't move the main entryway enough over that if you open the left side of the closet and someone tries to come in, or you try to, it's gonna knock into it. So that's kind of like a design flaw, I would think. But just be careful. Close the closet doors. I don't know too many people that leave them open, but just something to think about. So when you have these doors both open, you get a decent sized lighted closet. Again, you have the luggage rack here if you don't want to use the one that's attached to the drawer area. You get robes, laundry bag, iron and ironing board. All right, and then we're gonna move on to the bathroom here. And so walking in, you do get a nice lighted vanity here, backlit. You get a makeup mirror. You get dual vanity, so that's nice if you have more than one person here. What I like about first entering the bathroom is if you don't have the lights on, this little cubby hole in the middle that's red is already lit, and I don't know if you can control that light even, but it acts as like the night light, so it never gets fully dark in here. But that's nice if you're just walking around. You have this little area and it's not too intrusive. So this is where usually there's some towels when you first walk in, and the blow dryer. So there's that. Oh, lights on. And now to the left here is the toilet area. It has frosted glass. Honestly, I think this looks a little cheap. I understand why they did it, but I like regular doors, like full doors and walls. If you're gonna do this, it kind of makes it cheap when you're using these kind of shower stall doors to kind of separate the area. That's a really minor nitpick, but it's just not what I would like in a room that's considered, I guess, more luxury or higher end. So here's the toilet area. What's great about the Conrad, and I think the Hilton and Crockford's also, they use Byredo amenities. So very nice high-end luxury brand. They're not single-use containers. These are affixed. You can't move them at all. They're just refilled, but they're Mojave Ghost scent, which is really popular. So this is really expensive stuff. So this is great. You got the hand wash and the body lotion here in the vanity area. And then if we go into the shower, you have body wash, hair conditioner, and hair shampoo. So, again, these are some of the best amenities you can get in a hotel room, so that's great. The shower is really nice walk-in shower, very large. You have a rain shower head as well as the arm that you can take off of the wall. You have a bench. You don't get a soaking tub or anything like that, but the size of the shower does kind of make up for that. Just something to note, if you do prefer tubs, you're not going to get it in this room category, but you're going to get a nice large walk-in shower. One thing also about the bathroom is that you get a nice fresh little plant here. And I thought it was fake. It looks really fake, but if you look in there, there's soil. And I felt it. So this is a real plant, which you don't really see too often in Vegas hotel rooms, at least. So I guess housekeeping waters that or maintains it every couple of weeks by spritzing it with water, because it can get very dry in these rooms with the AC on. And so that wraps up the Conrad at Resorts World. Pretty much it's a standard room. I know this is the higher end or mid-range of the 3 hotels they have at this property, but it's still very nice. It's nice and new. What I really like about Resorts World right now anyway, is they do have some kinks to work out, is the food. I went down to the famous Food Street Eats, which is like a hawker style type Singaporean setup where it's a food market, food hall, and you have multiple options. It's very Asian focused, but there are some non-Asian options there, but you have so many, which is great. And you have a lot of signature restaurants here at the hotel, whether it's Chinese or Mexican or pizza or steakhouse. You have a bunch of those options as well. So I think the food is really great at Resorts World right now. It's yet to be seen what's going to happen in the next couple of years with all of the competition in the area and whatever happens with the rehabilitation of the north side of the Strip. With the Drew / Fontainebleau / Marriott, whatever's going on over there, opening hopefully in the next 2 to 3 years and getting going again. But I think it's really promising over here. The Conrad, the Hilton, and the Crockfords, it goes from, I don't want to say low, but standard, mid-range to very high-end luxury. But just comparing the Conrad, which is supposed to be a little bit more luxury feel than like a standard hotel, I think I can't really compare this to Wynn, Encore, Venetian, or Palazzo. I would prefer those hotels over this. I think Crockford's, the rooms for the Crockfords start at anywhere from $300, $400, $500 a night for just their standard rooms, up to the thousands, not even for their most luxurious like villas / super high-end suites. So it's very expensive at Crockford's. Conrad is just a tiny bit more expensive than the Hilton. If you had the option between the Conrad and the booking the Hilton, I would definitely go with Conrad because it's not that much more expensive. I think you can get rooms midweek right now here at Conrad for like $90 or $100 before the resort fee of around $45, $50. So that's not bad. And that's going to be cheaper than, Wynn, Encore, Venetian, Palazzo. But I would not choose this hotel room or category over a standard room at those other hotels, which are just like within eyeshot of here. Just because it doesn't feel as worth it, even with this being a new hotel and all. So, those are my 2 cents. I think it's yet to be seen what's going to happen in the next couple of years. But Resorts World's a worthy competitor at this point compared to those options on the south side of the Strip. This is the northernmost that you're going to get some, I guess, luxury type hotel. Obviously, Circus, Strat, and Sahara are not as high end as this place, but with all of the construction that's going around down here, there's still open land on the north side of the Strip, with the convention center being pretty much done. We'll see how life roars back post-pandemic, or if the pandemic really ever ends, we don't know. But I think that this is a really promising start for the north end of the Strip, which has been said before when SLS tried to move in, and that kind of totally failed, and now it's back to the Sahara. But we'll see how this fares. I think the plan and business model building from the ground up for this hotel is much better, and it has a lot more going for it than that project did. But I think it's really promising, again, for the north side of the Strip, and we'll see how it goes. Let me know in the comments below what you think of this room tour. If you want to see anything else, I'd like to hear your feedback, and I will see you again soon. Thanks.